Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. Let's see what's coming up, guys. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. We'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So these cards will be a guidance for your career situation, guys, your relationship. We are picking one card each, guys. This is for your relationship, and I'll be picking one card from for your general guidance. So we'll open that card at last. So first, for your career situation, Aries, what is the card? Observer. Hope you can see the card here, guys. So with this card, the energy for you all, guys, is that we have to in your career situation, guys, you have to have a different point of view. You should see things with a different perspective. That is what is that oracle's guidance. So in our situation, we always see that situation through our personal lens. So we whatever we feel, experiences, all that clouds our vision, guys. So we are not able to see that reality. We see only that reality, whatever comes through that vision, through that past experiences, or whatever we feel, that emotional feelings. So when you do that, you will not see things clearly, guys. You will not get a clarity in your life. So in order to understand that situation, condition, the people who are involved in that situation, you have to have that different type of perception, just like a third person. So when you do that, when you see your situation from a distance, maybe in your work situation, your work, your projects from a different perspective, you will be able to understand, connect to that essence of your goals and aspirations, whatever you have. So you will be able to see clearly how you can reach those goals and plan exactly what you need to do. So things are going in a perfect way, guys, right in front of you. So what is required of you is you have to remain neutral today. Be curious and watch things unfold, that magic unfold right in front of you. So in order to do that, you have to remain neutral, have that different perception. That is what is called for here with this oracle card. What is the card for your relationship, Aries? Treasure Island. So with this card, guys, the oracle's guidance for you all is that whatever that you were dreaming for, that positive thoughts, all that is coming right in front of you, guys. So maybe in your relationship, you find that treasure in this person. Whatever you were expecting, you are seeing much more in this person, their qualities, attributes, whatever it is. You both find that you sync at a different level. You both have that deeper connection, and you both are celebrating love and this deep connection in this relationship, guys. So that is what this card is about. Romance and love is in the air. That is what I see here. So sometimes you may see disappointments or some failures of your expectations. So in that situation, you have to see things in a different way, guys. Give up that perception, whatever is limiting you, and go for that those changes which give you a better view of your life. So maybe things are not going well in this relationship, maybe you don't have that understanding, you may see fear, some kind of disappointments, or loss of your expectations today. So when you do that, so you need to work towards that. If you are seeing failures in your relationship, you have to work towards that different perception that will open the doors to much better things, guys. So you have to go towards that positive thoughts and positive thinking in your relationship when you do that. But the oracle's guidance with this card, guys, is that things are aligning perfectly in your life. So in your work situation or in your relationship, whatever dreams that you had, you are moving towards that. That is what this oracle is about. But if you are feeling challenged some way, the only thing that is limiting you is your way you see the things in your life, guys, how things are going, your perception. So when you give up that, you have nothing to lose, only those negative thoughts. You can move on with your life. That is what this oracle's guidance is about, Aries, for your relationship. Let us see what is the general guidance card. Poised. So with this card here, the energy is that, guys, you are able to find that balance. That is what I see here. That is the meaning of this card. You are feeling confident, courageous, that determination. That is what I see here. Sometimes you may feel that you have that capacity to deal with anything that is in front of you, whatever demands that you have, some deadlines, whatever it is. So you should not, if you are really having that capacity, you can make it. But if you do not have that capacity, you are just showing off that you have. You should not do it, guys. This is not the time to do some half finished work. So you can postpone things till you are ready, to do things in a perfect way. So it is better to disappoint yourself than to disappoint other people. So this is what this card is about. But the energy with this card is that you have that harmony and balance. But if you do not find that, you can postpone till things change, guys, till things change for the better, till you feel that confidence and determination. So that is the reading for your Aries. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.